Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting, ma'am. Please let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nufaisa Nur Pupita, NIT 57 20 11 31 75 and 10. With student number 19, we are from Port and Shipping Alpha, and my partner is.
My name is Nur Fitrin Jasari. My credit number is 572011317511. I'm number 20.
And in this video, we would like to present our English assignment. It is about talking about jobs.
First, I will explain what is sales and purchasing. First, sales is a process that results in a transaction between two or more parties in which the buyer receives of the offering and the seller gets something of value in return, which is usually money. Sales department often plays a pivotal role in the success of a business. It is the only department which is responsible to bring in money to the organization.
The next is purchasing. Purchasing is the act of buying the goods and services that a company needs to operate and or to manufacture products. Purchasing is responsible for the procurement process. This means it ensures the supply of goods, production materials, and equipment so that smooth productions and sales process can take place. For this, goods must be procured at the right time, in the right quantity, and of the right quantity.
My name is Nurfitrin Jasari. I work in the sales department of Samudra Indonesia Company. Samudra Indonesia Company is an integrated cargo transportation and logistics company established in 1964. Samudra Indonesia Company, a logistics service company that focuses on providing transportation or goods delivery service. The company's origin dates back to the early 1915, starting as an international shipping agency founded by Mr. Sudarpo Sastro Satomo. Since 1999, company has been publicly listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. This is Samudra Indonesia companies a range of service under its logistics line. First, Samudra Shipping. Samudra Shipping, we provide a range of service under shipping business line as follows: tanker, bulk, and offshore carrier, ship management, and agency. Samudra Logistics, to support integrated service, we develop various supporting facilities for logistic business as the following: inland transport, container depot, warehouse, and distribution center, third-party logistics, project logistics, and cold chain logistics. Samudra Port. We provide port-related services such as stevedoring, cargo dooring, port management, and port supporting equipment provider. Samudra Property. Samudra Property initial business are asset ownership and management. Along with the growth of the company, the business line expanded its business to include the management and maintenance of strategic property asset, construction, supervision, property development, and other opportunity in the construction field. And the last, Samudra Service. Samudra Service complete the synergy and integration of the group business. Samudra Service was formed to provide full operational support for all the group business lines. The main object of this line of business is to enable and encourage all the group business line to focus on achieving their performance goals. My main task here is to communicate it by telephone with our company, loyal customer, but in certain circumstances, I also could directly to the field to make direct contact with my prospective customer. At work, I'm required to have a good, concise, and clear speaking style, and most importantly, have a suggestion technique to convince potential buyer of our product. My responsibility include offering goods or service purchased by the company to customer, explain product specifications so to customer, and lastly, provide a simulation of the calculation of costs that must be incurred and explain the benefit that will be obtained. Samudra Logistics always offer the optional solution and a comprehensive range of service to cater to customer needs.
The next is purchasing management. First of all, thank you for the opportunity. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Nafaiza Kuta. I am a purchasing manager at Samudra Indonesia Company. My company is an integrated cargo transportation and logistics company established in 1964. As a company, Samudra has more than a half century of experience, strong IT system, modern equipment to support the operation in all shapes and sizes, combined with skilled and competent human capital. I work in the purchasing department of this company. Our department is divided into two divisions. Those are strategic purchasing and operational purchasing. Each division has their own responsibilities. And then I am in charge in the strategic purchasing as manager. My team is responsible for locating and maintaining the best sources of supply for the components, materials, and services a company needs. While purchasing managers have traditionally focused on finding the lowest cost suppliers, strategic purchasing managers consider all aspects of their relationship with suppliers, including quality, value, and the ability to respond quickly to changing supply requirements. We aim to select suppliers that can act as long-term partners and help the company meet its growth objectives. A lot of my work involves to create purchase orders, process purchase requests, and check if preferred vendors are being used and terms and conditions are in line with the related vendor contracts, and to send these to suppliers. My jobs also includes to ensure contract compliance in adherence to category strategy and preferred vendor list. Request quotation and negotiation terms and conditions with tier 3 vendors without a contract. Also have to pick up with the procurement ops team and also raising and issuing of purchase orders to support material requirements, vendor schedule, and maintenance. I think that's all from us. If there is, thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.